Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today we have another unboxing for you. This time it comes in the form of another long overdue studio upgrade. Crack this baby open and see what upgrade I am coming out with today. After a lot of research, I just started to notice a few things, a lot of things from other YouTubers and video suggestions, and I figured, you know, it's time to just dive in and fully invest in this YouTube thing. And thank you so much, y'all, for subscribing to my channel and all the likes and the loves and the shares. Please continue to share and let me know your thoughts and feelings. If you have any ideas or any looks you want me to recreate, please feel free to let me know in the comments below. Today we are doing a little green and red moment, a little poison apple, if you will. So getting on with the unboxing, we do have a fairly large box here from, what is this company? esthetic. Ooh, okay, well, it looks like everything's actually packed in this nice duffel bag here. It's not too heavy, it just kind of scared me and was a little bulkier than I expected, but ooh, it's all in here. Where's the zipper on this thing? Like, somebody help me. Oh my god. Okay, here's a zipper all the way undone. I have no idea how this is gonna come out, if it's all together, like who knows. We have one white box on the inside. Go ahead and open her up. Were there any instructions? No, of course not. Okay. Oh, maybe this way, maybe? Okay. One tripod, flipper wheel. We have another white box on the inside, and again, these aren't labeled at all, so literally I have to open them up to find out what's in it myself. And oh, that might give it away. This one might give it away, so I'm just gonna put it aside for now. And there's a second one of the same size. I'm gonna assume that's the same thing, and those are just over there. So we still have all of these other like mini duffel bags on the inside of the bigger duffel bag. And again, it has the logo here. I'm still waiting for someone to Google what ESDII is and see if they can figure out what it is I'm unboxing and putting together on thing today. This one might give it away as well. Y'all ready for this? Here we go. Now, if this doesn't give it away, dears, I don't know what will. Ah, get it. Beauty lines. Yes, we are upgrading again. Mwah. Forever improving on our own skills and production level. Then the little white boxes before was actually the light bulb itself. I don't know what these light bulbs look like, and it's got a little rubber band here. Oh god, I'm not sure what I'm getting myself into here. Wow, that's a decent sized light bulb. Like, holy cow. I don't know what I'm doing. There's no instructions. Okay. Figured out that the light bulb goes in the light socket. Anybody at all? Andrew, I'm sure you're busy with Shane, but you know, and your side job. Mom can use a little help over here. Ah. Dang. You could already see the difference just in reflecting my ring light. Bam. Oh, this is gonna be a spectacular upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the umbrella to the tripod, and I will see you guys in just a second. Let there be light. Man, look at that difference. That's where all my highlighter went. Good to know, good to know. All right, and that's just one of two. So hold on real tight. Give me just a few minutes. I'm gonna set up the other one and we'll do a grand revealing. Be right back. All right, everyone. So both lights are officially set up. Currently, you are looking at me using only my ring light, and night is always darkest before the dawn. And there you have it, guys. My new studio lighting. This was a much needed upgrade. You can already see here where you can see my highlight much better now. We got rid of a lot of shadows and weirdness, and I'm hoping like I am right next to you. This makes my heart so happy, you guys. Yay for upgrades. Oh man, it has been a crazy year and we're not even done yet. We still have the holidays to go through. Oh my goodness. Did I start my YouTube channel less than 1 year ago, but I have come such a long way since then. Not only did we have a lighting upgrade to begin with, I learned a lot about shooting. The upgrade to do 4K. I got three new lighting systems alone this year, I think. At least that's just off the top of my head. 4 if you count these bad boys. Oh my god, we got mic upgrades, computer hardware, software upgrades. I completed my courses. Everything. The support in the beauty community has been absolutely outstanding. Yes, this year has had some crazy drama, thank God, not involving yours truly, but involving some pretty major influencers. All the ideas and the creativity just keep flowing, and I keep researching and discovering new things, and I love creating. And this lighting system was just the upgrade I need to take it to the next level. And I can't wait to continue on expanding and seeing where the next chapter of this journey, not only through the holidays, but the upcoming years are going to take us, and all the twists and turns and things we're going to find and discover. And I really hope you guys join me on this journey. So if you do, if you're excited, if you want to see me grow and continue, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. And I will see you guys next time in fabulous lighting. Oh, gorgeous. So take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.